Hello and welcome back to HardReset.info. In this video, I will show you how to change the brightness for DJI Mic 3. Let's begin! First of all, you want to get into the settings, and you can do that by simply swiping from the top to the bottom like that. Then scroll all the way to the right, enter General, and right here you should see Brightness. Click Brightness and you can lower it down, so it's now like this, or you can bump it up. If you have it set all the way up, then you have an easier time using it, for example, outdoors. However, your battery use will get higher. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.